Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. Now, if you see any flickering on the screens, gauges, buttons, anything like that, that is just in the camera. That's not in person. We're gonna go on a test drive here. Non-smoker, smells super clean in here. Inside and out, this thing is incredible. 46,168 miles. Like I said, ignore all that. It does not do that in person. That's just the camera freaking out. Brakes are solid, feel good. No vibrations in the pedal or the steering wheel when you apply the brakes. Steering wheel is nice and straight, alignment feels good. Sounds great, lots of power, zero complaints with drivability. Absolutely perfect. Look at the carbon here in the sun. Gorgeous interior, love the color combo. Barely get on it, and it definitely wants to move. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now, this car has a lot of PPF paint protection film on it, basically clear bra, so the full fender is protected, and you have the film here on the edge of the hood on that high impact hit area. The headlights and the front bumper and that lower splitter, as well as the A-pillar, and then about right here and up all the way across the roof is fully protected. You have the film here on the door cups, you have it on the door edge, and then you have it right here on this one, that lower trim piece, and then back. So kind of all the high impact hit areas that has film on it to fully protect it. This has really nice accents. I love the white, ties in with the front and the rear emblems, and then you have the carbon on the side mirrors. Gloss black wheels. Date code on the tire, 2024. You even have the Range Rover caps here. Gloss black. Really, really nice. Fender looks amazing. Like I said, you got the carbon on the side mirrors. Door looks incredible. Oh, and I also forgot you have film on these pieces here and right here on that gloss black trim, fully protecting it. You got a little touch-up spot right there on the gloss black, like a little chip. The rest of that looks incredible. Wheel looks good. Got the Bridgestone dwellers. This is on air ride, so it's all the way lowered. Like I said, you do have film on the headlights. Now it does have a couple snags, so if you want to get rid of those, peel that film off, apply some new film. And then, like I said, I love the letters with the white accent. Looks incredible. You got these massive vents here on that hood. That looks good. Gloss black accents. No cheap plastic anywhere. Just, you know, none of that matte black plastic. It's all painted to match. Even all the gloss is protected with film, so that whole front end, like I said, fully protected. Got a tiny little touch-up spot there, and it blends perfect. Looks good. Wheel looks amazing. Got the carbon. A-pillar looks nice. That wheel looks good. Very, very clean. You do have a tiny little imperfection there, almost like a tiny little ding. Other than that, looks awesome. Full gloss black top. And this is what's really cool. Check out the interior. You got the two-tone. That looks incredible. Got carbon everywhere. Looks good. Awesome. Upper section looks good. Carbon here, carbon there. Nice and clean. Got the all-weather mats. This is illuminated, Ultimate Edition. Bolster looks good. Right here in that piping, you can see you do have a little bit of wear right there. Other than that, that looks good. Upper section looks nice. Here on the steering wheel, got the matching leather with the carbon. It says battery low here. I've had the doors open and stuff, so we'll be starting it and driving it soon. Big screen, actually double screen. Carbon here. You do have some light scuffs from it sliding in and out. Other than that, looks incredible in here. Absolutely gorgeous in here. You have the ambient lighting. That looks really nice. It's under here. It's in the footwells, door handle area. So at night it looks incredible. All the flickering here, that's just in camera. That's not in person. Very nice. Here on this door panel, looks amazing. You got all the carbon. I love this door pocket. Check out the carbon here. Really, really nice. This is illuminated, all-weather matte. Looks good. You have the Alcantara surrounding it. Looks perfect. Really nice seat. That side of the trim looks good. All of the accents here look awesome. Beautiful on this side. Here on this door panel, looks amazing. All-weather mats all the way across. You have the tiniest little mark right there. It's very subtle. Alcantara though. Looks good. You have just carbon everywhere. There's carbon on the back of that. Massive panoramic roof. And it has a full shade on it as well. Here on the back left door panel, once again, looks perfect. Looking at the seat, nice and clean. Two-tone looks good. Love the leather Alcantara combo. Here in the cargo area, you have the nice liner. All the carpet's in great condition. That all looks good. You can lower the suspension from back here to make the height easier to get in and out. The rest of that looks good. Power liftgate, of course. Then you have carbon galore in here as well. Full carbon hood. That's from the factory. And the cover on here looks really, really nice.